Hi everyone! Teacher Chi once again, and I'm so excited to teach you phonics. So here is you're going to learn how to read and spell words by just listening to the letter sounds. So should we start? Let's begin. So let's have a review first. What are the sounds of the vowels? So we have letters A, E, I, O, and U. So let's make the sound of those vowel letters. A, E, I, O, A. A, E, I, O, A. Good job! And now we will blend it to some consonant letters that we're going to learn today. And those letters or those consonant letters are letters N, D, C, and H. So let's make the sound first of those consonant letters. Letter N makes the sound N. Net. Next is the letter D. 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 Duck. Next is the letter C. K. K. Cat. H. Hat. Very good. And now let's blend those consonant letters to the vowels. So first, let's blend the letter M with the vowel letters. Letter N makes a sound N. So let's blend it with letter A. N and A, N, A, N, A, N, A, na. N and E, N, E, N, E, ne. N and I, N, I, N, I, ni. N and O, N, O, N, O, no. N and U, N, A, N, A, no. So we read it with teacher. Na, ne, ni, no, na. Very good. So let's move to letter C. So letter C makes a sound K. K. So let's blend it. C and A makes a sound K. A. K. A. K. Next is C and E. K. E. K. E. K. K. C and I. K. E. K. E. When we blend it, K. Next is C and O. K. O. K. O. K. O. Ko. Ko. Next is C and U. K. A. K. A. Ko. So let's read it. You read with teacher, okay? Ka. Ke. Ki. Ko. Ka. And now let's move with the letter D. Letter D makes a sound D. Let's blend it. D and A. D. A. D. A. D. Next, D and E. D. E. D. E. De. Next is D and I. D. I. D. I. T. D and O. D. O. D. O. Do. D and U. D. O. D. A. Do. So let's read it. Da. De. Ti. Do. Da. Good job! And lastly, let's move with the letter H. Letter H makes a sound. So let's blend it with the vowels. H and A makes a sound. A. A. When we blend it, ha. H and E. 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 He. H and I. 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 He. H and O. 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 Ho. H and U. A. A. Ha. So when you read it, please read together with me. Ha. He. He. Ho. Ha. Good job. So we're done. So now let me check if you really learned from this video or from our lesson. So I want you to get your paper, pen, and pencil, and you're going to spell the words as I say the letter sounds. Okay, don't worry. Just like the last time, it's gonna be easy. For the first word, k, a, n. Again, k, a, n. Okay, let's move to number 2. I hope you're ready. Number 2, e, n, e, n. Okay, number 3. Let's go. We can do this. D, e, d, d, e, d. Okay, number 4. I hope you're doing well. Listen very well, okay? N, a, n. N, a, n. Again. N, a, n. And number 5 for the last word. T, o, k. T, o, k. So now let's check your answer if it's correct. If you really did well, let's see. So the first word is can. K, a, n. Can. The second word is hen. H, e, n. Hen. The third word is did. D, e, d. Did. I hope you're doing good. Next is non. Non. N, a, n. Non. The fifth word is dock. D, o, k. Dock. There you go. We're done, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. See you next time, kids. Bye.